For the last year, we've been hard at work bringing two new innovative products. The first one is Maestro, which is our agentic orchestration product. And the second one is UiPath Agent Builder, which is our low-code platform for developers to be able to go build enterprise-grade agents really quickly. And we also are supporting coded agents that pro-code developers can build and deploy in the UiPath sort of ecosystem.
One of the beautiful things about UiPath and Agent Builder is it allows you to interact with the assets that you've already built on the platform. One of the key differentiators that we offer is just how intuitive it is to kind of get started quickly. Also, we've added a couple of other features such as tool guardrails to kind of add constraints to your agent. These are kind of advanced concepts that outside of UiPath might require a professional developer. That's not necessary in the low-code agent experience within UiPath Agent Builder.
That's sweet. So what we are doing really is that we are augmenting testers in order to ease their work day-to-day basis. And what the platform is bringing here is the AI trust layer in order to make sure that our customers are trusting what we provide to them from an AI perspective. It brings also all the governance features which are essential for enterprise customers.
MVP Summit is an integral part of product building and product making experience. We have around 130 global MVPs, and they are at the front lines of actually using our platform and building innovative solutions for our joint customers.
Being an UiPath MVP is a personal achievement. You have to guide the product teams, you have to be active in community, you have to provide use cases, for instance. And on the other side, there's also the professional advantage. Companies can use it to drive profit, to drive sales, to support the sales cycle, for instance, and having an advisor on their hand, which is an expert in the platform. I think from my personal view, it helps a lot people when they start in automation, when they want to go into AI, Agentic, to shape their career in such a cool environment together with UiPath.